cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World. Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute cake, so let's follow magical marker. I'm coming!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. People on the bus go up and down, up
Let's start coloring.
and down, all
Pink color,
down. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.